Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Dear friends, today we are going to show you top 5 funny and embarrassing English speeches by Nepali leaders and celebrities.
First of all, I would like to answer about the cabinet members, According to the constitution, 10% of its total number can become ministers. Therefore, 60 minister is the 600 number of the Constitutional Assembly. 60 number of the cabinet is according to the constitution, but still a smaller number, Regarding your question about issue of Madhesh, we have entered the dialogue. We try to accommodate their.
Mr. President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me congratulate you, Mr. President, on your election to this important position. Let me also appreciate the Director General for this comprehensive report on the Women at Work initiative, with not only sums of the structural and other constraints, but also provides pragmatic suggestions for the attainment of the gender equality and justice in the world of work. We have successfully completed the election to the 3 tiers of government, federal, provincial, and local, under the new constitution. It has kindled hope among people for stability and development.
What's the cuisine like in Nepal?
Cuisine means
The food.
food.
Yeah.
Food. Food. Rice and
Just rice?
rice.
Okay, so, okay.
केही भन्न खोजेको हो यति राम्री मान्छेले केही भन्दा राम्रै सुनिन्छ केही शब्द मात्रै
I'm feeling awesome, truly speechless. When I was in school, my teachers always taught me one thing: success has a simple formula. Do your best, people may like it. So I'm here now. I would like to thank all the jury members who liked my work, TTV, and of course, NEFTA. Sorry for all the nominees.
Sometimes we do so many things, but in data, who give us mark do not aid also, and our some officer also do not put which he did, do not put. So this is also problem, but our business doing is not bad. We are going to up, but slowly. So we ready now. You people know we are in totally other palace.
I'm the greatest fan of Kumar Sanu and Sonu Nigam. And your face looks like Kumar Sanu. I teach the students. Maths, English.
Math, right?
Yes.
I have brought with me the best wishes from the peoples and government of Nepal from the success of the country's conference. Mr. President, even today, after 3 dedicated, it is a matter of serious concern that over 7,000 new HIV/AIDS occur every day. HIV/AIDS pandemic is a major global health problem. Some progress regarding the rate of new HIV importing and mother-to-child transmission, while expanding access to HIV antiretroviral treatment. However, much remaining to be done and right so in view of the huge number of people living with HIV/AIDS.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.